Our ancestors hold a powerful influence over our lives. Their experiences, traumas, and triumphs are woven into the fabric of our being. Ancestral healing recognizes this deep connection. It acknowledges that we carry the energy of our ancestors within us. This energy can shape our beliefs, behaviors, and even our physical health. Many of us carry ancestral wounds and memories. These imprints can manifest as patterns of addiction, poverty, or illness. And they can be passed down through generations. Ancestral healing offers a path to break these cycles. It is believed by many that addressing the root causes of our pain, we can heal ourselves. Unity field healing is a powerful modality that is believed to contribute to ancestral healing. It works by tapping into the quantum field of consciousness, referred to as the 24th chromosome. This theoretical field contains information about our spiritual history and our genetic history. In the work of UFH, we open to the energy of our ancestors. This can support us as we begin to clear negative patterns. Our DNA holds the imprints of our ancestors' experiences. These imprints can influence our lives in profound ways. UFH assists to rewrite these imprints. Once released, we can experience a liberation of consciousness, one that can transform limiting beliefs and behaviors. It is believed in indigenous cultures that as we heal ourselves, we also heal our ancestors and future generations. This healing creates a ripple effect. It extends outwards to our families, communities, and the world. As more people heal, the collective consciousness shifts. There are many tools and techniques for ancestral healing. Meditation, journaling, shamanic healing, ceremonial healing, and energy work can all be powerful practices. You can use these practices to connect with your ancestors. They can also help you to clear negative energy patterns. The outcomes of ancestral healing can be profound. You may experience greater peace, clarity, joy, and abundance. You may also find that your relationships improve. Healing in many ways is possible. It is time to step into your power. Embrace the transformative journey of deep ancestral healing. Begin to create a brighter future for yourself and for generations to come. Learn more at unityfieldhealing.com. Disclaimer: energy medicine is a supportive, complementary practice and is not a substitute for professional medical care. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider for any health concerns.